If you suffer with calluses and corns, usually on the feet, don't worry, I know that they can be very painful, but I've got 5 natural tips to help. Calluses and corns can be caused by a number of different reasons. Okay, number 1 would be pressure and friction that is happening in different areas. That could be usually on the toes, it could be on the feet, on the bottom of the feet, as well as number 2, bunions. So definitely if your foot structure has changed, that can also increase the risk of the calluses and the corns. And number 3, improper footwear, which is a big cause, of course, for painful feet to begin with, but causing these pressures and frictions in places where they shouldn't be, and that is day in and day out, can cause a thickening of the skin and these calluses and corns. But the good news is I have 5 natural tips to help to deal with your calluses and corns. Okay, number 1 is, of course, wear proper footwear. So this is wear barefoot shoes, and allowing for a wider toe box in your shoes becomes very important. Even going barefoot on softer surfaces may be helpful for your calluses and corns. Okay, tip number 2 is to do an apple cider vinegar soak. So all you're going to do is make a solution with 4 parts of water and 1 part of apple cider vinegar. And you're going to soak your feet in that solution for 15 to 20 minutes. Now, the warmer the water, the better. This will help to soften that skin and that dead skin, which may make it easier to remove in one of my next tips. Okay, tip number 3 is to use Epsom salts as well. So you can do an Epsom salt foot soak as well, using 2 tablespoons of that Epsom salt in a foot basin. Cover your feet with the water and soak again for 15 to 20 minutes. And even if you wanted to combine the apple cider vinegar with the Epsom salts, you could definitely do that to soak away that dead skin. Okay, and tip number 4, of course, is going to be important to file off that dead skin. So you can use a pumice stone. If you were to see a doctor, then they would actually start to shave it away with a scalpel in a safe way, of course. But that's really important to get that excess skin off of there to help to remove those corns and the calluses. And tip number 5 is to always make sure that you're moisturizing the area that is prone to the calluses and corns. That dry skin is going to exacerbate the fact that you're not able to slough it off and away, and that's really important. So using things like castor oil, maybe almond oil, jojoba oil, you can apply that to the feet at bedtime, put on a pair of socks, and wake up to softer feet in the morning. So castor oil is fantastic. You're going to learn more about its benefits, so please check out this video, 5 castor oil side effects. I'll see you there.